Hello everyone, today we are going to make a woolen hat. I'm making for 3 to 4 years old baby. You can make for anyone using the same method. So I'm using blue color acrylic yarn for this. You can use any color, and the bundle which I have bought is 25 grams. As it is 25 grams, I will need about 4 bundles of yarns. The color which I have bought is blue color. You can use any color. And the hook size which I'm using is 2 mm. So first let's start with a slip knot. Slip knot is nothing but a simple knot which we do. You can see it in the screen itself. Adjust the loop according to your hook size. So now let's begin with chains. I'm going to put about 50 chains. You can increase or decrease the chains according to the size which you are making. Now I'm doing the third chain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now we have completed all the 50 chains. Now we are going to start with single crochet. For that we are going to put one more extra chain, total 51. We are going to insert the hook inside the second chain. So I am doing the first single crochet now. We are going to do single crochet in all the 50 chains. My last 2 single crochet are left. This is the second last single crochet and the last single crochet. We have completed single crochet in all the 50 chains. We have completed a row. We are going to put one extra chain to start with the second row. For starting with the second row, we are going to turn it over. We have chains above the single crochet which we have done. We are going to start with the first single crochet. You see the second chain. So this is my first single crochet. We have 2 yarns in that chain, one that side and one this side. We are not going to take both of them. We are going to take the back loop. You see the one which I am showing, that is the back loop. We are going to work single crochet in the back loop in all the rows which we are going to do. I am going to do about 78 rows. As this is for 3 to 4 years old baby, you can increase or decrease the rows according to the size which you are making. Now I have finished the second row. For starting with the third row, we are going to put a chain and then turn it over. Now we are going to do single crochet in the second chain. And here also we are going to work in the back loop. We are going to put an extra chain after we finish all the rows to start with the new rows. We are going to do the same process in all the 78 rows which we are going to do. Now I have finished some couple of rows. You can see the design which we have got, some up and down designs. I will show you how it looks after all the 78 rows are done. This is my last chain of the last row. Now I have completed all the rows, all the 78 rows. You can see how it looks after we have finished. Now pull the hook to get the loop bigger and cut some extra yarn. Now pull the hook to the full. So now we have got a knot there. Insert yarn inside the needle to stitch the hat. We are going to insert the needle in the first chain here and the first chain there. Now we are inserting the needle in the second chain here and the second chain there, and then pull the needle. We are going to do the same process in all the chains till the end. Now I have finished the last stitch. Put a knot to secure it. Cut the excess yarn. It looks like this after we have stitched. Both the sides of this are same. Now we are going to stitch the upper part of it. For that I am turning it inside out. As I said, it looks same both the sides. I am going to stitch this side. You can stitch any side of it. Now I am inserting the needle. I am inserting the row and leaving the next row. Again inserting the next row, leaving a one row, and then inserting the next row. You can see it in the screen. Now pull the needle. We are going to do the same process till we insert the needle and pull it out in all the rows. I have finished inserting the needle in all the rows. You have a hole there in between. The hole gets bigger and smaller according to the size which you are making. Put a knot there to secure it. Now cut the excess yarn. We are going to attach a pom-pom there so that the hole isn't seen. Now I have attached a pom-pom there. It looks like this after we have attached the pom-pom. And our woolen hat is ready.